We're at 8011 First Northeast, recording from the inside cleanout, dates June 13, 2022. Making this recording from the 3-inch diameter ABS cleanout on the interior of the home, in the basement bathroom here. What we're looking at is the section as we come up out of the shared sewer line here with 8003. I'm going to zero out our footage now as we come back up. So this is the personal line for 8011 now. You can see we came off a pretty steep drop. Some root intrusion there. I'm going to go locate where we're at. We should be back on the property for 8011 now. Pausing and locating. Okay. Got that spot located a couple feet deep back on property here. So we've got about 12 feet or so of that 4-inch diameter line between the property and where it comes together and shares with 8003. We're going to pause and get another locate. Okay. Up out of the clean out access there. I'm going to end the video there.